Hello student, today we are going to learn an important topics, oxyacetylene welding technique or method. Selection of particular method for a given job. Selection of a proper technique or method for a given job will depend upon the metal to be welded, the plate or workpiece to be welded, its thickness and the desired quality of the welded joint. Which quality is desired? What is the thickness of the plate and what metal to be welded? Method are commonly used. There are three main methods of gas welding. Number one, leftward welding. Number two, rightward welding. Number three, vertical welding. Okay, what is leftward welding? This is the picture of leftward welding. This is plate 1, this is plate 2. These two plates to be welded V groups, nearly 80-degree angle. This is the edge preparation. This is the welding torch, 60 to 70-degree angle. This is the filler rod, 30 to 40-degree angle. This is the direction of welding, right hand side to left hand side. Okay, the leftward welding method is also known as forward welding. Okay, in this method the filler rod to be held in the left hand and the blowpipe in the right hand. Okay, the welding operation is carried out from the right hand side towards the left hand side. Okay, a group 80-degree V group is prepared at the end of the plate to be joined. Okay, this method is widely used for butt joint, for butt welding of plates up to 6 millimeter thickness. Up to 6 millimeter thickness. Okay, now what is right hand welding or rightward welding? Okay, this is the picture of rightward welding. This is plate 1, this is plate 2. Two plates or job to be welded. V grooves, nearly 60-degree angle. This is the edge preparation. This is the welding torch, 40 to 50-degree angle. This is the feeder rod. This is feeder rod, 30 to 40-degree angle. This is the direction of welding, left hand side to right hand side. Okay. Now the rightward welding method is also known as backward welding. Okay. In this method, the feeder rod to be held in left hand and the blowpipe welding torch is in the right hand. Okay. Here the welding operation is carried out from left hand side towards the right hand side, left to right. A 60-degree V grooves is prepared at the end of the plate workpiece to be joined. Okay. This method is widely used for butt welding, for butt joint of plate over 6 millimeter thickness, over 6 millimeter thickness. Okay. Now, what is the advantages of rightward welding or right hand welding? Number 1, there is less consumption of fuel and feeder rod. Okay. Number 2, the technique gives faster welding process. This is faster than rightward welding. Number 3, the weld joint obtained is stronger and tougher. Okay. Number 4, there is better control over the welding process as the molten pool, molten zone is better visible. Molten zone is better visible. Okay. Now, what is vertical welding? This is the picture of vertical welding. This is plate 1. This is plate 2. Are in vertical position. Both plates are in vertical position. There is no edge preparation is required. Okay. This is the welding torch. This is welding torch. This is nearly 80-degree angle. This is the feeder rod, angle 45 to 60 degree. Direction of welding, this direction. Here both the blowpipe welding torch and the filler rod moves in a zigzag way. This is the direction. Zigzag way means side to side. This movement, as the welding proceeds from the bottom to top, welding is proceed from bottom to top in zigzag direction. Okay. The vertical welding method can be employed. Weld metal plates of any thickness. This is the advantage, but only when it is possible to put the plate in vertical plane. When plates are possible to put in vertical position. Okay. Edge preparation is not required if the plate thickness is up to 16 millimeter. This makes the method economical as compared to other method. Okay. In plate up to 6 millimeter thickness, welding is to be performed from both sides. Okay. Here both the blowpipe welding pipe as well as the filler rod is moved in a zigzag way, side to side, in this way. As the welding proceeds from the bottom to top. Okay, it is clear, my student?